Hello.
Hi.
How are you today? Who is there?
Hi.
I can see someone behind you. Who is there? Is that?
Oh, that's my brother.
That's your brother. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's your lady or someone. Okay.
No, it's my brother.
Okay. All right. So what is your name?
I'm Ebenezer Marina.
Ebenezer Marina.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 31.
31 years of age. Where
Yeah.
are you calling us from?
I'm calling from Oyarifa in Accra.
Oh, Yarifa. All right.
Yeah.
Accra. Okay. What do you do for a living?
Okay, I'm a judicial driver. I work with the Judicial Service of Ghana.
Okay. All right. Do you have kids?
No.
Okay, no kid. All right. So for the sake of the show, I'm going to repeat what you said. You are Ebenezer, and you are
Yeah.
31 years of age. You are calling from Oyarifa. You are a judicial driver. You have no kids,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
When was your
Yeah.
last relationship?
I'll say some 5 months ago.
5 months ago. What led to the
Yeah.
breakup?
Oh, it's insecurity.
Insecurity. So
Yeah.
what was she complaining about? Because if you make
You
a
know, the
woman
work I'm
feel
doing, it has to
insecure,
do with politicians, so I don't have enough time to stay at home.
oh,
Mhm.
okay. So what are some of your deal breakers?
Oh, I only need someone who respects and who understands the work I'm doing.
Okay.
And I think, yeah, that is the most important thing. If you don't understand something, you need to ask for explanation.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's all I think I need.
All right. What age range are you looking for, Ebenezer?
Probably from 30 to 35.
30 to 35?
Yeah.
Do you like kids? Do you like
Of course
children?
I do.
Okay.
I do.
All right. Any particular body traits that you're looking for?
Not really, just I don't want someone who is fat.
Do you have a specific occupation that the person should be working in or should be in?
No,
Into?
anything that puts food on the table for the person, that's enough.
Okay. How far away should the person be?
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. What medium should the person reach out to you on?
On my Facebook page, you can look for Elikem Awudu. And then
Awudu.
Awudu. That's on my Facebook.
Okay.
And then my WhatsApp number is 053
053
763
763
68
68
67
67
or 053
053
8282.
828295.
Yeah.
Okay, so distance-wise, where did you say you want the person to be?
Or anywhere around.
Anywhere.
Either. Yeah, anywhere. But the person should be someone who understands.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Elikem, I'm going to repeat your number again. Your name on Facebook is Elikem Awudu, and your phone number is 05376378667, right?
Yes, please.
And then the other one is 0538282895, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Elikem, we are wishing you all the best, okay?
Thank you. My brother said you are beautiful. He wished to get married to you.
Oh, I am a married woman.
Oh, he's not lucky.
Thank you very much for the recommendation.
You're welcome.
Do you have any other thing you want to share? You want to share
Oh,
with
no,
us?
please. No, please.
Okay.
I don't.
We are wishing you all the best. Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Same to you. Bye.